So hey guys, good morning and welcome back to the part 2 and day 2 of the vlog. You must have seen the drone shots. Do let me know how it was. And it's currently raining here. Not too much, but it's just drizzling. And now we are planning to go to few hills like Baba Budungiri and etc. So we are leaving now. We had breakfast. We had idli and palav, which is included here. And we are leaving now. So guys, it is raining here and I'll show you what is the mahol here. No, I won't do that, okay. So guys, we've finally reached our house stay, and do let me know how was the drone shots. Okay, and now we are going to have lunch. So guys, I had dinner right now, and it's the end of the day. It's very cold out here. It's 16 to 17 degrees. Like if we do like this, no, smoke is coming out from our mouth, so it's that cold. And it rained, it drizzled. So thanks for watching this vlog. Stay tuned for the next vlog, and tomorrow we are going back, so that is going to be the last vlog. So thanks for watching.